Give them a hint.
It's something on my cup.
Turn it around. They can't see that. You see blue? Is it Cinderella?
Yeah.
Okay, Sophie's turn.
I find mine pumping a ball.
Something that's what?
Black.
Black? Okay, what is it?
It's on a plate. On her plate.
Something black on your plate? I don't see something black on your plate. Oh, it's my phone? Oh, that's funny.
Okay,
Oh, it's Izzy's turn.